AI is everything, and yes, it's doing incredible things. But let me tell you one thing, AI cannot replace an exceptional software developer with mastery over their craft. And today, I'm here to show you how exactly you can become the one. So, whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this roadmap will give you the blueprint to stand out in the competitive field. So, let's dive into it. So, step one is to learn a programming language. So, pick a programming language and learn it well. You can start with any language like Python, Java, JavaScript, or C++. Each language has its strength, and the choice depend on your interest and goals, right? So, for instance, if you're interested in fields like machine learning and AI, so Python is considered best for it. If web development excites you more, so then dive into JavaScript, or you can also choose Java and C++ also, as they are also fantastic for mastering object oriented programming and cracking coding interviews. The key here is to pick one language and focus on building a solid foundation before moving forward. The second step is to master data structure and algorithm. DSA isn't just about acing interviews, it's about improving your problem solving mindset and writing efficient code. So, the data structures like array, linked lists, tags, and queues are the building blocks, while algorithms like sorting, searching, and dynamic programming teach you how to optimize your solutions. Here, platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, CodeForces, and many more are perfect for practicing DSA. So start with beginner-friendly problem, gradually move to intermediate one, and aim for hard-level challenges as you gain confidence. And remember, the key to mastering DSA is consistency. The third step is learning development skills. The most exciting part. This is where you turn your coding knowledge into something tangible. There are two major tracks that you can explore. The very first is web development. If you love designing and creating interactive websites, so start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you have mastered the basics, move on to frameworks like React.js and Angular for front-end development. And for backend, you can use your chosen programming language to start with. Don't forget to explore databases like MySQL or MongoDB to manage and store data efficiently. The second one is mobile app development. So, if building apps excites you, then start by learning frameworks like Flutter or React Native to create cross-platform application. Cross-platform applications are the application that can run on both iOS and Android. And alternatively, if you want to specialize, then learn Swift for iOS development or Kotlin for Android development. These tools will help you bring your app ideas to life. Step 4 is learning Git and GitHub. So once you start developing, version control is your best friend. So learn Git and create a GitHub profile that show off your projects. It's like your digital portfolio for recruiters. Step 5 is building and hosting projects. Now it's time to showcase your skills by building unique projects. Whether it's a dynamic website, a mobile app, or a full stack application, focus on solving a real world problem or demonstrating your creativity here, right? Once your project is ready, make it live by hosting it online. Platforms like Netify, Vercel, Heroku, or AWS make it easy to share your work with the world. Hosting not only makes your project accessible but also adds a professional touch to your portfolio, right? And remember, the more unique and impactful your projects are, the more they will grab the attention of the recruiters. So the sixth step is to create ATS friendly resume. Most companies use ATS, that is applicant tracking system, to filter candidates. So keep it clean, keyword rich, and tailored to the job description. And make sure to include your GitHub profile and hosted projects. Last step is start applying. So once you have completed all these steps, it's time to start applying for internships and jobs. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Naukri, Glassdoor, and even Internshala to find opportunities that matches your skills. So here, referrals can give you a massive advantage. I have already made a short video explaining the process, so be sure to check it out, right? Following this roadmap is just the beginning. Staying consistent is what truly makes the difference. So, make it a daily habit to dedicate your time and efforts as follows. Give 2 hours on DSA practice, 1 to 2 hours on applying for jobs, and a few hours improving or building new projects. Stick to this process and trust me, you will see the results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with your friends who might be struggling to figure this out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content that simplifies your career journey. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's grow and learn together. See you in the next video.